Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys a package that Project eBeauty sent me. So I think a month ago they sent me a package and it was this one. This is the Luma Mask LED Therapy Mask, and I really like this. I'm actually still testing this out, but I want to test this out more and have enough time to get the feel of this product before I finally share with you guys my final thoughts about this. But so far so good. I really like this. But today we are going to be focusing on the package that they sent me. In their email they sent me a picture of their newest product launch, but I'm not really sure if that's the exact same product that they sent me. But we're just gonna go ahead and open this up. By the way, this package came from Hong Kong, but I think they're selling this worldwide. Based on my research about their company, they are actually famous in the US, in the UK, and of course here in Asia. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here's the box. I love that the box is made from recycled material. So yeah, let's just go ahead and slide my nails into this. Let's take a look at this together. Again, another bubble wrap. And it says here Project eBeauty. I love that they customize a box for their PR package or for their collaborations. And again, I love their bubble wrap. I actually reuse this for my shop. So, oh my gosh. Yeah, this is exactly what I was expecting to receive. Ooh. What's this? LED plus radio frequency ultrasonic slimming therapy. That sounds so good, and I feel like I can really use this because from the looks of it, it's non-abrasive and non-surgical, obviously therapy for slimming. I really like their packaging. It feels like you're in skin clinic. I'll show them here. Yeah, so they gave this, what's this? Yeah, they gave the warranty, so you get 1 year warranty if you order, and then this is the manual, of course, and then this is the actual device. I've never tried anything like this. It comes with the same aqua collagen gel they sent along with the LED Luma mask, so yeah, I think we're gonna use that. And then also, of course, the actual device. This is so interesting. Oh my gosh. I didn't expect this to be this big, but that looks so
protective.
Yeah, it has this plastic protector, I think. How do you remove this? Oh yeah, you're supposed to keep the plastic, I think. This is acrylic is attached to the device, but it has this plastic cover, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna remove for now. But from what I can see here, it has a lot of settings. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a quick turn. I hope it has charge so I can show you guys how it turns on. But the package comes with a USB adapter or cable. Yeah, USB jack. So yeah, you can charge this anytime, anywhere. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I hope it has charge. Oh my gosh. Hopefully you can see. There. How do you... Yeah. So it has lights there. So hopefully you can see this is the red light. And I don't know why it's blinking, but I'm sure it has purpose. And then another red light. I think there's it says here
LED high, medium, carry one.
Yeah, it has low, medium, and high. So I think this is just going to be red light or not. Yeah. Alright, so I'm not really sure how to use this, but yeah, look here. This is how the device looks like when the lights are off. I had to turn off the lights so you guys can see how cool this looks. But yeah, I'm really not sure what to do with this or how to use this, but I'm gonna figure it out today. What's that? Red. It doesn't really feel hot.
Slightly.
Yeah. What it says here, feature functions is ultrasound slimming technology is a process where you transmit waves of ultrasonic into cellulite affected areas of your body, which is usually on your thighs, on your arms. Ultrasonic is said to disrupt the fat cells that are causing the cellulite to appear. The technology is very effective and a real technological breakthrough for getting rid of cellulite. Don't we all want to get rid of our cellulites? Like that is like one of the most common problems women have is cellulite and fats. So we all want like even toned skin on our thighs and like all of our body basically. So I hope this will help. And it says here RF, which is radio frequency for detoxicating and promoting blood circulation. Radio frequency can also be used to track collagen fibers, resulting in skin tightening. It is also used to improve lymphatic drainage, accelerate fat metabolism for cellulite reduction. The red light penetrates the skin approximately 8 to 10 millimeters, which will stimulate fiber cells and the production of collagen, reducing wrinkles and making skin more elastic and smooth. That sounds so good. It's like everything that I want in a device to get rid of cellulites. And how to use this is for the body, approximate treatment time is 5 to 10 minutes for each area: thighs, legs, buttocks, back, arms, and abs. What's great about this is you can use your own products along with this device. So it says here, use slimming essence, cream, or your own products on areas you will be working on to achieve the best results. So this is step 1, step 2. Alright, I'm actually really excited for this. I'm just browsing Facebook and I came across the Project eBeauty ad for this specific product. Look at that. That is just perfect timing. So as you can see here, there's a girl who is really looking so fit, and the actual device. Wow. Your professional treatment. I think I'm looking at the same exact product right here. As you can see, it is $249.90, so that's like roughly $13,600. So nice that you can have something like this done at home. Like you don't really need to go to a skin clinic anymore if this really works. So yeah, I can imagine using this on my arms and especially on my thighs. Oh my gosh, like this is the best product for me. That is the unboxing for this product. Again, this is the LED Plus Radio Frequency Ultrasonic Slimming Therapy. There you go. I'm gonna put the link of Project eBeauty on the description box down below, and if I can find other links where you can purchase this, I'm also gonna include it down below. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys again next time.